In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your 2023 TurboTax documents to the 2024 TurboTax Desktop Home and Business Edition on Mac OS. This process is simple and will save you a lot of time as you won't need to re-enter your data from scratch. First, let's head over to the official TurboTax website. Open your favorite web browser and type in the address to reach TurboTax's homepage. Here, you'll be able to easily access all the resources and options you need for a successful tax filing season. Once you're at the TurboTax website, look towards the top right corner for the Sign In button. Click on this button and enter your account credentials to log into your TurboTax account. It's crucial to ensure that you have access to the account associated with last year's tax return, so double check that your login details are current. After you've successfully signed in, navigate to the TurboTax homepage. This is the hub for all your tax-related activities. From here, look for the section or link referring to the 2024 taxes. It's important to click here, as this is where you'll find the necessary tools to start working on your current year's tax documents. Once you're in the 2024 taxes section, it's time to locate the Tax Tools option. This feature is typically found along the sidebar or in a drop-down menu. Click on Tax Tools to reveal additional options that will assist you with managing your tax information. From the options under Tax Tools, select the one that says Transfer last year's TurboTax return from your computer. This feature allows you to import all the relevant data from your previous year's tax documents into your current year's TurboTax account. By doing this, you can avoid the hassle of manually inputting all your tax information again. Make sure that the 2023 TurboTax file is readily accessible on your Mac, whether it's saved in your Downloads folder or another directory. When prompted, locate your 2023 tax return file and select it to initiate the transfer process. TurboTax will then automatically import the data from your 2023 return and apply it to your 2024 return. You'll see a summary of the information being transferred, allowing you to review and confirm everything before moving forward. Finally, review all the imported data to ensure it appears accurate and complete. It's always a good practice to double check entries for any discrepancies. Once you're satisfied with the import, you can proceed with completing your 2024 tax return confidently. And there you have it, transferring your 2023 TurboTax documents to the 2024 TurboTax Desktop Home and Business Edition on Mac OS is as straightforward as that. Thank you for watching, and happy tax filing.